Hello, my name is Jhessyka. I'm from Brazil. I'm studying here healthcare management at GBS Dubai, and I'm level 4. I chose Dubai because Dubai is a very safe place, and here I have incredible opportunities to grow up in my career. Studying at GBS Dubai is a great experience, and they are very supportive. Thanks to GBS team, I improved my CV, and now I get an internship at Aster Hospital. To improve my skills, the GBS Dubai make a mock interview with us, and then they share our CVs with Aster Hospital. After that, the Aster Hospital called us and told us that we'll get the internship. When I discovered the news, I was so excited to finally experience the real life of healthcare management. In Aster Hospital, I'm in operating department in maternity floor, and there we always make sure to do person-centered care to our patients and to improve their deliveries and mom's life. Thanks to GBS, I can apply all my knowledge that I'm getting here in the internship. So this way I can do data analysis, I can do reports, and I can help all the patients. For who wants to start your journey here in GBS Dubai, I advise you to visit the campus and visit GBS team. Here you can have a clear idea of which course fits for you. Thank you GBS Dubai for all opportunities, and bye!